Hello, first grade. Today we are going to be working on adding and subtracting groups of 10. So we're going to do a different page that's not in your workbook today. So what I need you to do is either have this page printed in front of you, or if you don't have a printer at home, and that is okay, all you need to do is get a blank piece of paper, and you're going to write the problems on that piece of paper. Okay, so please get that ready. If you need time, you can just pause the video and then unpause it when you're ready to move on. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at adding these groups of 10. And what we're going to do is remember that we're really just going to look at these first numbers, the numbers that are in the tens place. So I'm going to put little dots under mine just so you can see where I'm looking. So we're going to look at this first one. We have 40 plus 20. Okay, but really, we're going to look at this first number 4, and we're going to look at this first number 2. And we're going to add those two numbers together. So what is 4 plus 2? Well, let's use our count on strategy. Hold up your fist and say 4, and then let's count up 2. 4, 5, 6. So our first number that we're going to write in for our answer is the number 6. But I can't just say that 40 plus 20 equals 6. That doesn't make any sense. I have to remember that I need to add the 0 onto the end to make it 60. Okay, let's try another one. Next, I have 20 plus 70. Okay, but I'm really adding 2 plus 7. So when I use my count on strategy, I have to remember I'm going to start with the bigger number. Well, my bigger number is 7. So I'm going to start with 7, and I'm going to count on 2 more. So get ready with your fist with me. Ready? We're going to say 7 and count up 2. 7, count on, 8, 9. So my first digit of my answer is 9. But remember, I have to add that 0 onto the end to make it 90. Let's do the next one. We have 50 plus 20. So I'm going to put a little dot under my first two numbers. 5 plus 2. What's 5 plus 2 more? Let's count on. Here we go. Hold up your fist and say 5. Now count on 2. 6, 7. So my first digit is 7. And then I have to remember to add the 0 to make it 70. All right. The next one we have is 50 plus 40. So I'm going to put a dot under my numbers. 5 plus 4. What's 5 plus 4 more? Well, let's count on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put my 9, and I have to remember to add that 0. All right, so that is adding tens, groups of 10. Now we're going to subtract groups of 10. So this time I have 40 minus 20. So again, I'm just looking at those first numbers. So now I have 4 minus 2. What is 4 take away 2? Well, let's count back this time. So this time we're going to hold up our fist. And as we pull up our fingers, we're going to count backwards 2 times. So get ready with me. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. That looks like a Z. Let me try again. There we go. And it's the same with addition. I have to remember to add that 0. Let's do the next one. This time I have 70 minus 20. What's 7 minus 2? Or 7 take away 2. Let's do it together. Here we go. Hold up that fist. 7, count back, 6, 5. Okay, so 5 is my first number. And then I have to remember to add my 0. I hope you're writing all of this down on your paper too. All right, next I have 50 minus 20. So I have 5 minus 2. Let's count back. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. So my first number is 3. That's not really my whole answer. I have to add that 0 to make it 30. And we have one more that we're going to do together. This time I have 50 minus 40. So 5 minus 4. Let's count back. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 is my first number in my answer, but I have to remember to add that 0, make it 10. All right, first grade, so now we've reviewed how to add and subtract groups of 10. Your independent work today is to do all of this other side by yourself. Okay, you can do it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you tomorrow for math.